Emily? Hiccups? You have you have hiccups? Ah, what is going on?
You don't want to have a TV in the background, Ken. I suggest you to start again.